Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 unable to join session. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you have to do, just click here and then type view network connections, and after that click on internet and click properties, and after that all you have to do, just click protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and then once you're here select second one and type those numbers and click OK, and then close it, and after that type here cmd, right click and run as administrator and click yes. Now after that right click here and type the first command ipconfig/+dns, and then second one net winsock reset and click enter. And that's it. Now restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just right click on Forza Horizon and click run as administrator. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.